What's up guys, it's Liam here from TechFed, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a couple of products from Spigen. Now, if you haven't heard of Spigen before, they normally specialise in phone cases, which is what I've got here on my OnePlus X. But they have started to reach out into phone accessories, so we got some wireless chargers, a wall charger, and a USB-C to HDMI cable. So before I get into these, I want to start off by thanking Sean from Spigen for sending me these products. I do really appreciate it, so yeah, thank you. I also want to say thank you to my friend Mailir. He's lent me his Microsoft phone, because unfortunately I don't actually own a device that charges wirelessly. So yeah, thank you Mailir. But without any further ado, let's get in the boxes. So if we start off with the USB-C to HDMI cable, what this does allow you to do is stream from your phone to the TV or computer. But not only that, it also works with the new MacBook, I believe. I'm pretty sure I read that somewhere. But it's quite a long cable, it's 2 meters long. You can stream 4K, because it is USB-C, it is reversible, and it literally is just plug in and play. So if we get into the box and take a closer look. So all you get in the box is the cable, and from my past experience, Spigen have been really good at keeping high quality. I just kind of wish this part was a little bit smaller, the HDMI port, but it does feel nice. It's going to be nice and long, so it is 2 meters long. So as you can see, you'll have a pretty decent reach with this cable. Okay, and next, if we have a look, so this is the essential quick charge wall charger. So what you've got is two USBs. One is your normal charger, and then the other is the Qualcomm quick charge 3.0. And if I pop it open, we are greeted with the wall charger. So it's got a nice bit of weight to it. Like I say, you've got your two USBs, your 2.4 amp USB socket, and then your quick charge socket. I will be putting this to a test in a later video, because my Honor 8 Pro, which is what I'm currently filming on here, does support quick charge, so we'll see how quickly it will charge. Moving on to, let's start with this one. This is the essential fast wireless charger. It's also like a docking station, so you can have it on the side of your bed. So if I open it up, again I'm going to need the scissors there. So we are greeted with the docking station, and you do have some information then about the charger. It is a USB to micro USB, so you will be able to plug it into your computer. Also, using the wall mount here, I'll be able to use it. But I think it looks quite nice. If I grab the Nokia, what's good about this charger is you can either charge the phone like this, or if you rotate the phone, you can also charge it that way. So no matter which way you want the orientation of your phone, you will be able to charge it. I know some chargers, it will not charge in certain ways. This one, because you do have two QI charging stations, so you've got one there and one there. Right, moving on to the newest product. This is the fast wireless charger. So it's some new technology that means you will be able to charge wireless devices a lot quicker, because in the past, from my past experience, it does take a little while to charge up devices using wireless chargers. Although I don't own a device now, I have done in the past. So this is the latest product, and if I get inside, 1 and 2. It's a lot smaller, and a lot lighter than I thought it'd be. Again, it's using that USB to micro USB cable, and this is the latest one. It's really light and it's actually really nice. It's a little bit rubberized there. It's also got a bit of rubber on the bottom, so it's not going to move easily. And also when you put the phone is going to stay put. Right, let's test these out and see what they look like. If I put the phone on, you can see a nice blue LED illuminates at the bottom, so you know it's charging. And you can also turn the phone into landscape and also have it still charging. Especially good on your desk if you want to view stuff as well as using your computer. This is a pretty good charger. So here we have Spigen's quick charge wireless charger. I must admit I really like the slim design, it looks really nice. I wasn't sure whether you could see on the other charger which I have here. It has Spigen written on it, so does this charger by here. So if I place the phone on top, a little blue LED appears there and the phone vibrated to say that it's charging. I must admit it was quite easy finding the charging port. Let me try again. So the blue LED is green. If I place the phone on top, it turns blue to let me know that it's charging, and I'm assuming as soon as it turns green, the phone will be charged. So I was a little bit confused as to why Spigen was so keen on sending me this charger. It turns out if you want to charge your devices wirelessly using quick charge, you are going to have to use this as an adapter. You can charge the devices without it, but you won't get the quick charge capabilities. Overall, the quality of these products are really good. It's like a soft touch plastic, it's not a cheap plastic. It feels really nice, and I really do like this wireless charger. It's slim, it's light, that will easily slide into your bag, and you could take it anywhere. If you want to check out any of the devices, I will put them in the link down below and you can buy them from there. I'm Liam from TechFed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.